ride here out on the Philippine Sea. Okay, so we arrived to the diving spot. Let's go snorkeling and jump in. Wow, flippers. The mom is dead. Take a look at this water. You need to jump in. That is some Nido color for you. We have a nice banana roll here. So bite. That is very sweet and tasty. A lot of sugar.
Vad jag ser det. Nej.
Welcome to the last full day here in Nido. We're gonna go island hopping here. Jump out on a speedboat actually, so it's much faster to travel around. We just drove here 40 minutes, passing through this pretty nice environment. We're down in here in Nido town. We're gonna jump on here. We're gonna do 5 islands, so let's go. Okay, so we arrived and we're getting a canoe here. Gonna go paddling. Pretty bumpy ride here, I must say. Pretty nice though. Pretty crazy background also here. Now we're gonna paddle around like 40 minutes here. Very dramatic backgrounds. Let's get this paddle here. Let's get going. It is very shallow here. You can see straight down in the water here. The insane rock formations here, and people are actually walking with the canoes here. But we are going. Yeah, let's continue. Here we have a bit of a lagoon going in here. Look this way. Here next door a little bit. It's very shallow. You have the corals here. Have to be careful so you don't fall in. A lot of people here, but still a very clean and colorful water. Kind of a traffic situation here. A lot of boats or kayaks everywhere, so we have to walk a little bit. Actually a very strong current here, so the water is going out this way. But let's walk back. Pretty crazy mountains here and nice water. Canoeing complete. Now 5 to 10 minutes travel time to the next place. Enjoy some rough weather first. After some very short driving, crazy dramatic landscapes, we arrive here and lagoon in the back. That is looking insane. Secret small place here. I think it's called the Secret Lagoon. Let's go and check it out. Okay, off the beach it looks like a movie set or something. This is crazy with the mountains and the palm trees here in the background and the greenery. You could go in the entrance here. Let's go. And now we're going through here this hole to get into the small Secret Lagoon. Pretty far to get in. Got through the whole area, pretty crazy backgrounds here. Mountains looking up here. Nice little lagoon. But here is crazy. But yeah, it's chilly a bit. That was a pretty spectacular exploration. Looks like a scene out of Jurassic Park or something. But now it's time to have some food. So let's go to the next place and get some energy. Time to get some food. Pretty crazy view here to see the seafood and all this yumminess in the background. You're gonna enjoy some shrimp and fish. A lot of fruits here and some meat as well. Then continue exploring. That was definitely a very rewarding meal. A lot of stuff, even though we had quite big breakfast actually already with eggs and sourdough and some goodies in the morning. But you need some more energy out here. A lot of good food as well, or I mean fruits, fresh fruits. Pineapple is amazing. But now we're gonna take a bit of a swim and then go snorkeling. So see you there. Actually, before leaving, we saw some cute dragons or lizards here in the background. Same species, the Komodo lizard, where I actually went last year. But they're hiding here, have a blue tongue, very cute. But now we're gonna go and snorkel. Okay, so we arrived to the diving spot. Let's go snorkeling and jump in. Let's see if we can see some fish. Ooh, always nice to snorkel a bit. Saw a lot of different fish. I think I even saw Nemo here, but they were hard to get a picture. Hopefully a lot of cute other fish. Now it's getting a bit wavy here. I think we're gonna go up to the last stop. But very nice here, especially with this crazy backgrounds here. Let's continue. Got a war wound here. Very windy. Okay, so we arrived at the final stop and it's definitely looking like paradise here. Pretty crazy with the coconuts and the water here. Gonna chill a little bit more now, then head back. Yeah, I think if you think about paradise, this is probably what it looks like. Time for a last swim here before we go back from this crazy nice beach. A lot of people here, definitely not alone, but let's jump in. I think a little bit cooler here actually, but still very warm. Let's go. Nice. Let's relax a little bit with this background and my mind's here, and then go back. So now we're back here in Nido town, next to the water. It's getting changed and we're gonna walk around a little bit here, explore the last evening here in Nido. Very cozy, a lot of good restaurants and bars. So if you find somewhere to eat, definitely need some energy. Then yeah, let's get going and exploring. It's really hot outside, so you can cool down with some nice ice cream here. Pick a lot of good flavors here. I'll walk around a little bit here. Very nice, they have some ice cream to cool you down. Found a Mediterranean restaurant here. That is looking very promising after walking around here. Some nice backgrounds, see what they have. Ooh, the sun is setting, but that was an incredible Greek meal, a bit unexpected in the Philippines perhaps, but we had a lot of Filipino food. But it was nice to have some souvlaki with lamb and also great salad, and even some drinks here. Now we're gonna enjoy the sunset here and the last bits of the Nido city here before I'm back. I think I'm very happy with this trip so far. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more what's coming up, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.